the trader transformation process. So what we saw purpose, we saw identity, we saw values and beliefs, and now we have C, then we have B, and we have E. So what is C? C is the capabilities of a trader. So you answer your why questions, you answer your who am I as a trader question. Then there is again I have made a quiz for values and beliefs. It should be I don't think so I have put it up on the welcome page, but it will be there very soon. So you find out what is important to you or what you value in life and what you believe to be true. So you ask these questions, and if you go through the quiz, it becomes much more helpful. So now that you have all this information, like why you want to be a trader, where are you on the trader development spectrum, what things are important to you, what do you value most, because sometimes you value certain things and then those things will not let you move on. So in that particular situation, you have to reframe your thought process. Again, reframing is a NLP process which we will be using in the intensive, all right? So if you have any limiting beliefs or values that are not supporting you, we will reframe those, or we'll try to. I'm not a certified NLP practitioner, but yeah, I have done enough research and I have applied it to my trading, so I know that it works. So we will try to do that with your problems. Okay, so it's going to be fantastic. Anyways, so now we come to capabilities. Now, what I said in the first lecture when we were discussing purpose is that people will jump to this. If they are making loss, what they are looking for, a system, a method, a tool, all right? Suddenly you watch a video on market profile and you say that, okay, market profile, will it change my trading forever? Some people look at order flow and they said, okay, this looks so exciting. I will, go and buy the software. I will learn order flow and now my trading will change. These are tools, all right? These are tools. Whether the tool is of the highest quality, right? It won't matter if it does not suit the purpose that you are using it for. So to give you an example, if you hold a hammer, all the problems will look like nails to you. This is a saying, right? So what will happen? You will try to hammer everything into place, but not always hammer is the best tool. If you want to cut a piece of wood into two pieces cleanly, you need a saw. You cannot use a hammer. Make sense? So what is happening here is that treating a tool as the potential savior for your trading or as the potential solution for your trading problems is not a good idea. It can be very helpful. Now for me, market profile is probably a 5-star tool. Obviously, if people start using it, it is going to benefit them. Maybe order flow is a 3-star. VSA, again, VSA, I think this 5 plus 2 more, I'll give it a 7-star rating. Because VSA is a tool that has both aspects. It can tell you context and it can tell you timing too. Whereas order flow is most of the times only a timing tool. Market profile, majority of the cases, is a context tool, but VSA is a combination. So VSA is fantastic. Okay, fine. Tools are helpful. Learning a system or a method is helpful. But unless and until you have sorted this out, you will keep struggling. Trust me, believe me, all right? You don't believe me, you try it out. Forget about all the quizzes, forget about everything. Don't attend the lectures that I'm going to conduct on these topics where I'll help you reframe and all. Forget about all that. Take market profile, take order flow, take VSA, learn everything about it. Attend all my lectures on that. Go through CTF and re-watch the videos, take out notes and whatever. Okay, you don't like all these tools, You believe that, okay, simple price action is going to help you, go ahead, do that. Watch your favorite mentors video uh, and uh, they will give you setups. Try those, try to make money out of that. And then come back and tell me what happens in, say, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. I'll be here. I'll be waiting for you. I know what is going to happen. How do I know that? Because it happened with me. Every time I came across an exciting concept, exciting tool, I got excited, I got, thrilled that yes, now my trading is going to change. What happened? Nothing changed. Nothing changed. Why? Because I was focusing on capabilities and I ignored all these things. And then these two are also very important. These two are also very crucial. We are going to study them, whenever we have our next sessions. So capabilities are essential. That is what I have taught in my existing CTF course in the market profile, VSA and order flow sections. Then why do I have an advanced technical analysis section? Why do I have a trading psychology section? Why do I have a risk management section? Why do I have taken a comprehensive course on options? Is because the tools are not enough. If you believe, if only I can improve my trade timing, my trading will change forever. No, nothing is going to change, I'm telling you. You will keep getting frustrated. You will keep throwing one tool out after the other. That's it. And the funny story is, long before market profile, even Elliott wave, like I was a Elliott wave practitioner for a long period of time, few years actually. I came across VSA before that. I gave up on it, started following Elliott wave, did it for a long time. It took me so long to even forget those things. All right. Whenever I look at a chart, now those things do not come to my mind. My mind is purged. It is washed off all the old concepts, Elliott wave concepts. It took me a long time. Unlearning is a very, very difficult process, guys. And it's probably the most important one. So what I do, I give up on VSA. I go to Elliott wave. Then I find out about market profile. Then I give up on Elliott wave, struggle with market profile for a long time, come back to Elliott wave, give up on Elliott wave once more, go back to market profile this time, make a commitment, took a 1 year break, did nothing but observe the charts from morning to evening, pre-market analysis, post-market analysis, kept detailed journals, everything, did it for 1 year. And then finally things started clicking for me. Then I realized, then at the same time, I also came across order flow. All right. And then what happened? I got very, very excited, lost a lot of money because of order flow, because I did not understand what the hell that tool was doing. I was just excited about the numbers. Then I found out that there is a disconnect. There is a gap between market profile and order flow. And then one day, one fine day, I kept watching all these great people's videos, Tom Williams and James Dalton and all those guys. And one day I was again watching Tom Williams videos. And then I started thinking, like, what if VSA is a timing tool primarily? What if I can combine context with the timing aspect of VSA? Can I do that? Can I merge the qualities of market profile as well as order flow into one tool? Yes, you can do that. You can merge market profile context and order flow timing into a tool, and that tool is nothing but VSA. And when this dawned on me, that was the time when the trading framework started taking shape, right? It took a lot of time after that. Then I conducted my first few courses. Then I named it as a framework. Earlier it was called as Dean Trading Framework. Now it is called as a complete trading framework, because I do not want to limit it to myself, because you guys can even add and subtract elements from this framework and make it your own. And that is why it is called as complete trading framework. So this VSA is a fantastic tool. But again, like if I give you everything I have on VSA, everything, answer all your questions, solve all your doubts, do you think you will be profitable? If you have problems in these areas, trust me, it is not possible. If after learning this, you don't focus on these two aspects, trust me, it's not going to work. Why I am calling it a trader transformation process? Because these 6 steps actually have the real power to transform you from a struggling trader to a consistently profitable trader. It is going to take time. Just by learning these 6 things, you're not going to become a consistently profitable trader. You have to apply yourself. But how are you going to apply yourself? In what direction are you going to put in your efforts? When will you know that you are not actually moving in the right direction? All those questions will be answered, obviously in the intensive. But once you find answers to all these questions, that is when your trading will start transforming. So capabilities are very, very crucial. But just because you have the best tool, you know how to use it, but you don't know the context in which to use it, it is not going to help. Make sense? So 4th step done, 2 more remain. Whenever we have our next session, I will go through the next step. I hope you are finding this helpful. We are covering it 1 concept a day. So we'll need 2 more days to complete this 6-step process, and maybe then we move on to something else because we have to take sessions till 27th. Make sense? So this is all I wanted to cover today in today's trader transformation process. Step number 4, developing your capabilities.